Alrighty, man. Just finished up a nice little meeting in Hollywood. I found myself in this weird little predicament. We just put the lowering springs on the C8 though. It's settled a little bit. Well, fuck, the front lift's on right now, so this looks really goofy. But you can kind of tell in the back, it's looking a lot better. You can tell it's looking a lot better, man. I can no longer stick my entire fist in there. So we're feeling good about that. Let's go ahead and do a nice little drive. Maybe through Hollywood. I don't know what the title of this video is going to be, but we'll see. All right, let's figure out how to get out of this thing right now. We're in a little bit of a predicament, it appears. I wish this thing had an all-around camera, but I just don't get that. There it is. It's gotta be the weirdest intersection little entrance of all time, bro. It's kind of scary. Still scraped. Fuck. Exhaust is coming. Actually, tomorrow. Damn, this video could have like 3 titles, like the last drive of a quiet C8 or whatever. Holy shit. Oh. There we go. Capitol Records building. Absolutely classic. In both GTAs. I think it's in San Andreas too, with like the little part. On the boulevard right now. It's only a Tuesday though, so I don't think it's too exciting of a day. We can drive down the boulevard though. I'm down. Everyone's looking at the Capitol Records building, man. A legendary building for real. Can we see the Hollywood sign from here? You can't. MJ the musical. Damn, bro. I wish I could have seen MJ in person. That would have been crazy, man. Little girl likes the car. I feel like it's weird, bro. Actually, not. Everyone likes this car. But I was gonna say, I get the most reaction from really old people and little kids. Like, under 10 love the car, and like above 60 they're just like, woo, like they get super pumped about it. It's pretty fucking awesome, to be honest. Everyone in the middle can just like, it's just like a cool looking car, I guess. Depends on if they're into it or not. It's a looker though, I will say. People be looking, and people might be looking because I have a fucking camera on my head, so they're probably like it's recording something. Sometimes I wonder if that makes it seem like this is a rental, or like I'm just shooting content for shits and giggles, you know, it's not my car. Ooh. Damn. That was a nice Beamer. I will say the height of this car is super annoying because you just get the sun in your face for multiple hours a day. Like from the hours of like 11 to 4, it's just right here. No matter where you are, it's kind of crazy. Sounds like ass or not, I apologize. Whoa, come on, buddy. Yeah, just some daytime Hollywood Boulevard stuff. You got a little performer right there. You got a little tourism action going on. Everyone taking pics. This is a sign that you shouldn't drive high. Damn right. Damn right. Denver Broncos bar. It's kind of weird. They are so ass this season. Kind of sucks. I'm a Saints fan though, so fuck with Sean Payton, you know? Sean Payton was that guy for a while. There's a lot of bars over here, bro. I didn't realize. Yo, have y'all ever done a tour bus anywhere? I feel like you could just like drive. Like, you know what I mean? Like everywhere they could drive, I can just drive, right? Like, are we all doing the same thing? Let's see if the Ferrari rental people are here. You can, it's like rent a Ferrari for $100 or something. Like you can like take a lap. There's like a very specific route that you have to take. And they're usually posted up right here. But usually at nighttime, I guess. They don't want to do it right now. Maybe not that much business in the daytime. Oh, a little festival or something over there. See, there's always something going down in Hollywood, bro. Just a few days ago, this entire boulevard was shut down for Chris Lake and there's one other artist. Not one other, there's a couple other artists, but the two headliners was pretty dope. Ah, that's enough of that. Thanks, Hollywood. What the fuck? That is fucking bananas, honestly. Come on, buddy. Now you're holding shit up. Just following in there, they got some beef. LA's that kind of place, bro. Where they'll fucking follow you somewhere. Street beef ain't even worth it. Magic Castle, bro. I've always wanted to go here because I always pass by it, and then I looked it up the other day. This is an invite only place. Like you can't even get inside if you don't know somebody. And they have like magical shows and they have magical like shows, and you have to dress very formally. It's very crazy. What the fuck? My car, did I just get hit? That was so weird. My car just like, it almost like stalled. Oh, come on. Yowdy, what's lowered? TTRS, dude, the inline 5 is so sick. I fucking love a TTRS. Let's go find it. I think it's an older one, but they're still nice. Is it chalk? It is chalk. Shit's pretty cool. Yeah, I test drove one of these. It's just so small, bro. Like, it's even smaller than this. Like, you can touch the other door very easily without even straining. Like, I can do it right now. But that shit is tiny. I'm pretty sure it's a few £100 less than mine, though. Oh, it sounds good. It sounds good. So I don't text and drive, kids. Jeez. They really lay on the horn here too, you know? There's never really like a honk honk. That motherfucker didn't let it go once. That was like a 3-second honk. That was good. They're really angry. it merges again. What a stupid fucking system that LA has. What? Just goes from 3 lanes to 1? What? That is insane. Oh, I'm low on fuel. I'm always low on fuel in this thing. It reached about 90 right there from the cabin, almost redline. That was like 6,000 RPM in Z mode, so not too shabby. You know, you can definitely get some rumble. We can even, hang on, I mean, yeah, in the cabin you're pretty much reaching 90 decibels, which is pretty chill.